broken. I think I was right. Let me just put you down a second. That was hard work. It's too hot. I think I was right. Spanner on the crank. It'll turn one way. Okay. Turn it back the other way. Comes solid. I think that's what that's telling me. She's dropped a valve. Dropped a valve, piston can't get by it. It's an engine strip down job. Oh, it's far too hot for this. It is. Hence not wearing the boiler suit. Like you do. But yes. Engine strip down. Complete strip down. I know I had to do the head gasket anyway because that was on its way out. It wasn't bad, but I wanted to do it anyway. And I thought I would recount the engine, grind the valves in. New piston ring. She's a little bit smoky at winter, but nothing bad. New shelves, all that sort of thing, and it would cost me about 400 quid in all the spares for that. But this has just put the price up, and it's a definite engine strip. Hopefully I'm going to be a bit lucky and it's just smacked the piston and locked it up. It's not going to be too much damage. It might need one piston, probably not though, because when she turns over the other way she feels fine. I think she's dropped a valve. Dropped the valve, probably bent the valve, I'll get a new one. But it's not so bad. It's not as scary as I thought it might be, so oh well.